Hi friends. So in the earlier section, we have seen how you can create files and folder with more powerful wildcards. Okay. So in this lecture, we will learn how you can delete them, the created files. So I will move to my Ubuntu VM. So you are aware that touch command is used to create a file, and for removing a file, you use rm command. Okay. So before starting this, let's see the main page for rm. So for rm, it has an option which removes files. Okay, and there could be while or dot dot dot, means there could be multiple files. Okay, so I will hit q and I will type rm, and then let's give it any file like file 22, this one. All right, so if I will hit enter, so it will delete that file. Also you can provide multiple files, so rm file, what you want to give, let's give 20, file 20.txt and file 21.txt. So this will delete all these files. Okay, now let's create a file here. So there is file, it's a file a.txt, and let me copy this to, so let me copy this to documents and downloads also. Okay. Okay,
So
so these file a.txt is in my documents folder and downloads folder. So how I will delete this at the same time? So what I will do, I will type file rm, so I'm in my desktop, so you can type desktop and then backslash forward slash file a.txt, but it does not need it. File a.txt, then you can provide a absolute path, so then this, then doc, I will write doc and then I will hit tab, so it has document and then file, and I will hit tab file a.txt, and similarly I will give another file as dow and I will hit tab. Oh sorry, it's a small, then that's why it's not detected. Dow and I will hit tab, and then I will type file and I will hit tab. So what I'm giving, I am typing of directly file name in the first place, and on the second and third place I'm giving the absolute path. Okay, so I will hit enter. So my downloads folder is gone, my document folder is gone, and from my desktop file a is gone. Okay, so hope we are okay with it. Now let me try to create different files. So I will give touch, I will give file w.txt, then I'll give file x.png, and then file y.pdf. So it might be created. All right, now if I want to delete this, how I can delete this? So I can use touch and then file star. So I have stuff from previous project also, so I do not want to do this for illustration purposes. So what I will do, I will type file and then, sorry, rm, then file colon dot txt. So what it will do, it will delete all the file with file, then one option, and then txt. Okay, so if I will hit enter, so it will delete all the files. Okay, if I want to delete all the files with txt, so what I will do, I will type star dot txt. So it will delete all the files with star dot txt. Okay, if I will type rm file star, so what it will do, it will delete all the files starting with file and then whatever it's in the suffix. Okay, any character. So if I will hit enter, so it will finally delete this one also. Okay, so we have done this. Now let me try to create any file. Touch file, so let me give it any name. So let me use this. Okay, so I will give 1 to 10 dot txt. Okay, here we are. Now we can use regular expression also to delete our file. So what I will do, I will ask here, remove all the file which is starting with any number of character and ending with any number of character, but it should have 4 in between. So what it will do, it will remove file 4.txt. Okay, so if I will hit enter, so you have seen that it's deleted. Now I can similarly with the brace expansion. So if I will type rm, I will match any character star, then I will give, sorry, star, then I will give any pattern matching character. So I will give to delete either 4 and 5, and then I will give any pattern matching. So 4, 5 and star. So what it will do, it will delete, it will take star, then 4 and then star. So anything related to 4 which was deleted. So let me type 6 here. Okay. So what it will do, it will delete file 5, then file 6 also. Okay. Hope you are clear. And similarly, you can of course use with brace expansions. So I will type star, star, then brace, and then I will use 7 to 10, and then closing the braces and then pressing a star. So it has deleted. Okay. Now let me clear the window. Now we have seen about files. Now let's move over to folders. So what I will do, I will create a folder, mkdir del folder. Okay. So the folder was created. Now if I want to create, then I want to remove the folder, I will type rm and then del. Okay. So if I will click this, so it will not get created, it will not get deleted. So why? Because it's a directory. Okay. So this does not remove any directory, it is used to remove file. If I will use rmdir, then it will get removed. So we'll explain rmdir in a bit. So if you want to delete this, then what you can use, you can use rm option r to recursively delete this, means anything inside it you can delete this and use del. So if I will type this, so it will delete this. Okay. Now let's make this folder again, mkdir del folder, and with this let's also create some subfolders. So delete me, and then one, let's give it name till 3. Okay. So what it will do, it will create an empty folder, del folder, and then inside it it will create 3 different folder, delete me 1, delete me 2, delete me 3. Okay. Cannot create entry, no such file or directory. Okay, I think I need to type option P. Okay, so we didn't give option P here. Now what we will do, I will use touch command. So let me give the same option, and in here what I will do, I will not give till 3, I will give it till 2, and I will give file name file 123. Okay, and in here you are smart enough, I am going to use touch. Okay. So in touch, I am inside, I am going to del folder, then I am inside, I am selecting only delete me 1 and 2, and okay, so here let's take this as comma only. Okay. And in here we are using 1 comma 2, and we are creating 3 files. So if I will hit enter, it will get created. So let me open it. So there is delete 1 2 3. The delete 1 is filled, this one is please, and this one is empty. Okay. So I'm here. Now go back. Now what I can do, I can use rm option r, and then I can use delete folder. So what it will do, it will delete all folders inside it. So let me not delete this. So let me go to del me folder, del folder. I'm here. If I will list, then it is this one, this one, this one. If I will try to remove rm and then delete me one, it will not, because it's a directory. So what I can use, I can use rm option r and then delete me. So it will delete the folders in with its contents. So okay, now if I will list contents, so I have this, and delete me one was deleted. Okay. Now so whenever you are trying to delete this, you are not sure if something inside it should be asked for. So what you can use, you can use interactive terminal for this. So if I will use rm option ri, means recursive but it is interactive. So let me first go back to the previous one. I'm going to the previous one. Now I will use rm option ri, means I want to remove the stuffs recursively, but it should be interactive. Okay, and what I will enter del. Okay, if I will hit enter, it is going to ask me, are you going to descend into directory del folder? So I will type yes. Remove directory this or delete folder and delete me 3. So yes. Are you going to this one? So I will type no. Okay, I'm here now. If I will type to ls, then we have these folders, and if I will go to my del folder, if I will list contents, so I have deleted me 2 files only. Okay, hope we are clear. Now let me make a directory mkdir option p, and then let's move to del folder, and then let's create, sorry, folder 123. So it was created, del folder is here, it was created. Now I will touch, then del folder, then I will type folder. So I will not give any name. I will type 1 and then 2, and then I will give it a name like, let's give it a name like file 1 to 10 colon dot txt. Okay, so what it will do, it will go inside a delme folder. I think it's already there. I'm inside my delme folder and it's delete me. So it's having this and it's having this and in this. Okay, so now we have created our del folder. So if I will navigate to my del folder, and if I will list content, if I will go to my del folder again, cd del folder, and if I will list content here, so we have folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, and if I will navigate to cd folder 3, if I will list, there is nothing, so I can use rmdir here, which is used to delete empty folder. So if I will go back, and if I will use rmdir and folder 3, so it will get deleted. Okay, if I will list the contents, so file folder 1, folder 2 deleted. So if I will navigate back and once again, so sorry. Okay, so I am on my desktop folder. Now we have created this project folder. Okay, and we have created this earlier. So what we can do, we can use rm option r to get rid of this. So rm option r, and I will use project. So it will delete everything inside it. And also I can use rm option r, and I will use del folder. How you can delete these files altogether? So you can use rm, and then either you can type file star, it will delete. Okay, so hope we are clear with deleting files and folders, and we have also learned how you can use special case character here. So that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture we will learn how you can copy files and directory to any destination folder. So till then, take care.